How to change Lovable account email address. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Lovable account email address. So all you have to do is, first of all, launch the Lovable application and make sure you're logged into your respective account. Once you're logged in, tap on the three lines icon located from the top left of the screen, and from the bottom you can tap on your profile picture. When we tap on our profile picture, you can see various options here. You can go to the one that says profile right over here. And when you go to profile, these are the options that you will see again. And you can tap the gear icon here, which is on the top right hand side of your profile page, as you can see right here. So just tap on this gear icon, which is the settings icon. Now when you read over here, you can finally find your option called email, and this is my current email address, and it says that your email address associated with your account. Unfortunately, however, Lovable currently does not support directly changing the email address on an existing Lovable account settings, because this email field is read only. If you do wish to change your email, then you have to create a new account and transfer any type of remaining projects that you have. But so far, Lovable directly does not support creating or changing your email address. Hopefully in the future they might come up with such an update. In that case, I will make sure to update you about it. But until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.